right, so you have now applied for the MSc in Computer Science. You've been given an offer. Congratulations. And you have formally accepted that offer. Within a few business days, typically, you'll receive a Welcome to Heriot-Watt email. It'll look something like this, and it'll include information about your username and your email address, and it gives you the next steps. So you're going to set up your account, and you'll need that information up here to be able to do so. You have to set up your password, and then you'll need to complete enrollment. So just keep an eye out for this email, check your inbox, check your junk folder, just in case we end up there. And then just follow the steps here. It gives you a lot of great information. Okay, so you have set up your password, you've logged in, you've done your enrollment, as you can see here. So this is a mock student, so this should give you an idea about what to expect, but you can see some information here. You can see that the academic year is correct. It's the Master of Science in Computer Science. I'm doing it through independent distance learning since I'm studying online. You can see the information about enrollment status, so you can view that it's confirmed here. You'll see a lot of information here about how to access your portal, what it looks like, what to expect, some information about the online induction, how to get a printout of your confirmation letter if you need. So feel free to look through that in your own time, but I want to show you the course registration. So you'll click on Register Now, and then we're just going to once again confirm that it's the Computer Science course for 2026-2027, and hit Continue. All right, so now you can see all the courses that are available to you. You can see them for semester 1, semester 2, semester 3, when they would be taking place. So I am going to register for one course. I'm going to do programming and program design for semester 1. So this is starting in September 2026. And I'm just going to go here and click register. Now I will go ahead and scroll down and once again, hitting register. All right, so we're just looking through everything, confirming that I clicked the right course, when it's supposed to be happening, what my fees will be, and how much is due. So I'll then go ahead to proceed to payment. And we can see the information here. So the payment amount, it matches what it said before, and the payment method is pay now. So I'll go ahead and click continue. It's confirming again the total to pay today. And I can select the country or region where the payment is coming from. So I'm putting in the UK since I am currently based in the UK, and I'm going to go ahead and put in a postcode. So let's see here. Going to put in EH144AS. I'll leave the house flat number blank for the time being, but you can put that in as well. Find address, and you can see here that it has pulled in the information. So I put in the address for Heriot-Watt University. So this information has been preloaded. You might need to do it manually. That is okay. Just go ahead and put in that information. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and put in the payer information. So I'll put in Heriot-Watt and the same email address that I've been using. Then I'll just confirm it again. And I'm just going to put in a phone number as well. And then hit continue. All right, so you would put in your own information. So I'll show you here. I'm putting in a Visa. And then let me just grab the card info. Of course, you'll put in your own card information, but just so that you can see what everything will look like. Putting in the card number, the security code, and the expiration date. All right, and we can just review everything before we continue on. So you can see that the tuition fee here that I just chose to do the one course, so it's listed here, my card information, the email address that the confirmation will be sent to, as well as the building address. So I'm going to say this all looks correct. So I'll go ahead and click confirm. And you can see here that we have some options. We can do it in our home currency or in pounds sterling. So choose the one that's best for you. I'm currently choosing pound sterling, but you're able to do whatever currency is available to you here. So if your card is in euros, this might be an option available to you. So choose which one works best for you. All right, I will click continue. And we'll have to wait again. And you can see the payment was successful. So I have a transaction reference number. You can see the date it was happening, and then we're good. So hopefully that was helpful. Keep an eye on your email to see if you have any trouble getting those confirmation emails. Let us know. But hopefully that helps you walk through the process. If you have any questions, feel free to email us at hwonlineapps@hw.ac.uk. But I hope you found that helpful, and thank you for joining us. We hope to see you online soon. Bye.